Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on business travel with Expedia, full guide step by step clearly. To save on business travel using Expedia, start by visiting the Expedia homepage. Use the search bar to enter your travel destination and dates. Select the type of trip you need, such as round trip or one-way. For flights, choose your departure and arrival cities. Filter results based on your preferences, such as non-stop flights or specific airlines. Review flight options and compare prices. After selecting your flight, proceed to the hotel search. Enter your destination and check-in/checkout dates. Use filters to refine your hotel search according to budget, star rating, and amenities. Take advantage of the map view to find hotels close to your meeting location. Once you find a suitable hotel, check its cancellation policy and user reviews. Consider booking a package deal, as this often provides additional savings on flights and accommodations. Next, look at rental car options if needed for your trip. Enter your pickup and drop-off locations, along with your desired rental dates. Compare rental car prices and features before making a decision. Review any additional fees, such as insurance or fuel policies. Consider joining the Expedia Rewards program for additional discounts and perks. Before finalizing your booking, enter any promotional codes you may have. Check the total cost to ensure it fits within your budget. Confirm your itinerary details before completing the purchase. After booking, keep an eye on your email for confirmation and itinerary updates. Utilize the Expedia mobile app for easy access to your bookings on the go. Lastly, make any necessary modifications to your reservation directly through the app or website if plans change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.